In this lecture, we will examine the impact of digital communication and explore effective strategies for engaging in online conversations, virtual meetings, and social media interactions. Technology has transformed the way people connect, making it easier to communicate across time zones and platforms. However, effective digital communication requires a balance of clarity, professionalism, and adaptability. Objectives of the lecture. In this lecture, you will learn the key principles of effective digital communication, best practices for video calls, virtual meetings, and professional online interactions, strategies for maintaining professionalism in social media and digital correspondence, principles of effective digital communication. Communication in the digital age extends beyond face-to-face interactions. Whether through email, social media, video conferencing, or instant messaging, maintaining professionalism and clarity is essential. Digital platforms require communicators to be mindful of their tone, message structure, and audience. Darlene Price, in Well Said, explains that virtual communication lacks nonverbal cues, so precision in wording and clarity in tone are more important than ever. Understanding how to convey messages effectively in digital spaces prevents misinterpretation and promotes productive interactions. Key principles of digital communication: clarity and conciseness. Messages should be direct and free from ambiguity. Professional tone. Even in informal settings, maintaining a respectful tone ensures positive interactions. Timely responses. Digital communication should be efficient, with prompt and relevant responses. Adaptability. Different platforms require different styles of communication. Best practices for video calls and virtual meetings. Remote work and virtual collaboration have made video calls and online meetings an integral part of professional communication. Success in virtual meetings requires preparation and adherence to etiquette. Preparing for a video call. Test the technology beforehand to avoid last-minute issues. Use a professional or neutral background. Dress appropriately, as you would, for an in-person meeting. Engaging effectively in virtual meetings. Maintain eye contact by looking at the camera. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Use active listening, nodding, or brief verbal affirmations. Mute your microphone when not speaking to avoid background noise. Managing time and participation. Follow the agenda and keep contributions concise. Encourage participation and ensure everyone has a chance to speak. Avoid multitasking. Stay focused on the meeting. Professionalism in social media and digital correspondence. Social media plays a major role in business and professional networking. Online behavior reflects personal and organizational reputation, making it important to be mindful of interactions on digital platforms. Using social media professionally. Keep posts relevant and avoid controversial topics in professional settings. Engage respectfully in discussions and avoid confrontational behavior. Be mindful of privacy settings and public posts. Email and instant messaging etiquette. Use formal greetings and sign-offs in professional emails. Keep messages clear and to the point. Avoid sending messages outside of business hours unless necessary. Avoiding digital miscommunication. Read messages carefully before responding. Be cautious with humor or sarcasm, as tone is harder to interpret online. Confirm receipt of important messages and follow up when needed.